Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video will watch the best 2-tier food steamer from over 9,890 customer reviews and brand Bella. Fast track to healthy choices. The Bella 7-liter, 7.4-quart food steamer is the perfect and healthy way to cook your favorite foods. This health-focused cooking method removes unwanted calories and unnecessary cooking additives, oils, helping you live a healthier and cleaner dietary lifestyle. The Bella food steamer cooks your favorite meats, veggies and grains with one quick twist of a knob. Pour in the water, set your food in the cooking basket and set the timer. Voila! You will enjoy your juicy and flavor-packed meal in under 1 hour. What's more, this unit features an auto shutoff feature and boil-dry protection for ultimate safety. Steam cooking keeps the vegetables as close to their natural raw state as possible while heating through thoroughly. This prevents the vegetables from turning mushy and allows them to retain their original color, taste, juices and freshness. Healthy meals for the entire family. The kitchen should be fun for every member of your family. The 2-basket cooking system allows you to separate vegetables and meats so that you can prepare different dishes simultaneously for those of us with special dietary needs. Quick start heating system. The Bella 7-liter, 7.4-quart food steamer allows you to steal dishes in as little as 30 seconds. Steam your favorite foods from fish, red meat, poultry, shellfish, tofu, vegetables, and grains. Even get creative with other foods, such as dumplings and dim sum. Hassle-free cooking. The water reservoir view window ensures you'll always know whether you have enough water to finish the job. A guess-free and hassle-free steaming guide chart are embedded in the unit so that you can expect perfect steaming results every time. Set the timer and watch it work. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section. Also, if you like my video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.